Welcome kids! Today we are going to learn the short vowel sounds. The vowels in English are A, E, I, O, U. Let's start with the vowel A. The sound is eh, eh, and the words with sound eh are bag, cat, rat, bat. Now let's move to the vowel E. The sound is eh, eh, and the words with sound eh are pen, hen, bell, net. Great job! Next up, the vowel I. Say with me, E, E, and the words with sound E are kid, bin, pig, ink. You are doing awesome. Now on to the vowel O. The sound is ah, ah, and the words with sound ah are dog, cow, fox, pot. Finally, let's explore the vowel U, and the sound is and the words are hut, sun, bus, tub. Fantastic everyone! See you on the next video with the Primary Genius. Do subscribe the channel for more.